Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 5 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our items for this week is a sewing item. I've got this sewing machine, something your state or country is known for. And Mississippi is the Magnolia State, so I've got this magnolia. An item representing childhood memory. My mom used to sew a lot of my clothes, and looks like one of the type of patterns she'd sew for me back in the 70s and early 80s. And I've also got some pattern paper. Something ornate. I've got these little snips, and they remind me of the embroidery snips that my mom used to use, and I had a pair too. And also something that starts with L. I've got lace. And bonus is something pink, and I've got these little tags, stamp looking things. I think this came from Shabby Dabby Doodah as something pink. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope everybody is doing great. I'm not just saying that. I'm doing pretty good. We have been getting a lot of rain, but it has been warmer, and I'm thankful for that. I'm just going to kind of tear this down a little. We've been kind of dry, so it's good to get rain, but boy, it has rained constantly for a few days. We got a break from it yesterday, but it was back to raining yesterday. Last night, I should say. And this morning, it's not raining now, but it's awfully cloudy. Okay. Well, I'm still reading the Lisa Gardner book, and it's so good. I've been kind of clipping through it a little bit as best as I can. And, oops, I'm scared of that. Been watching Harrow with my husband, and it's really good. I highly recommend it if you like kind of a crime drama type thing. And let's see what else. I've been watching see, I always get it mixed up. I have it written down. WPC 56 that my friend Barbie from Nellie and Ruth Designs recommended, and it's really good. Okay, let's see here. Now, I've already done some of my inking, so I think I'm going to go maybe something like this. Or I didn't ink that, but not a problem. Well, I did ink it a little bit. It just doesn't show on the edges up here. May not have gotten all the way around. Okay. Now I'm going to add in. And that I've got my my great-grandmother's machine. She had one of the pedal, and it worked when she was alive. She still used it, but I have never tried using it. Okay, let's see. Sewing item, state or country, something ornate, something that starts with L, and I've got my stickers, or stamps, I should say. So I think I'm just going to kind of do it like that. Okay, I kind of feel like it's off balance because of the, got all the color down here. So let's see how I can work this. Maybe just putting one up here. Oh, I feel like I need something there. Let's see what I can find. That's got a little pink in it. It's just a washi sticker, but I think that helps a lot. Or maybe go back to this and put it up here. Maybe like this. think I like that better. Okay, this is going to be another simple one. Let me get this down. I have been doing the Junk Journal January, and it's been a lot of fun, and it doesn't really take a lot of time, but it's done every day. And I get behind on some of these others and the time it takes to get prepared. I need to do better with my time. I'm always struggling with how to organize my time. I get too lazy. Or I end up too busy because I do have another channel and I do have a family to take care of. So certainly not going to complain about that. Okay. Let me get these down. As I was saying, I have enjoyed Harrow, and the Lisa Gardner book that I'm reading is I Love You More, and it is really good. It just, I don't know what's going on, but I want to know what's going on, and that's the best kind of books. Keeps you wanting to read because you want to know what's going on. My friend Barbie also introduced me to Lisa Gardner. I'm very thankful for that. But I noticed that Barbara 49 Dragonflies reads her. She did a book review on one of her books, and Gail Augustinelli mentioned she was reading a Lisa Gardner book that she was anxious to get back to. So I'm in good company. Okay. Got a little bit of a triangle thing going. And let me get the sticker on. I like that. Cute. It's not fancy, but it's cute. I need to get my prompts down, and I've got this little stamp left over that I can put over here. Okay, and I can't forget my lace. Let me get my Fabri-Tac. All right, get this down on the side here. Figure out which side's the right side. I think it's this way. Oh, no, I want it to go this way. There we go. Now, I do want to go around my bird and flowers. Kind of get an outline of this. Let it pop off the page just a little bit. just going along the edges just to kind of define it a little bit where the shadow should be. I like how the Stabilo All just kind of gives it that shadow. Kind of helps it to pop. Not very good at using it, but I still like the look. It's hard to believe that January is almost over. As much as I've enjoyed Junk Journal January, and I plan on doing Junk Journal July if she does that. But as much as I've enjoyed it, I'm about ready for it to be done. It wears you out, and there's a lot of stuff I want to do that I just haven't had the time to do. Another thing of time management. Okay. And y'all know what the last thing to do is. And that is gold splatters. And I'll probably do some black ones as well. All right. Let's see if I've got everything. I've got a sewing item, a sewing machine, something your state or country is known for, and that's magnolias, an item representing childhood memory. I've got the patterns and the from the McCalls that reminds me of some of the clothes like my mom used to make me. Something ornate. I've got these little sewing scissors. Something that starts with L. I've got lace. And something pink. I've got these stamps. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next week, bye y'all.